Hello students and parents, welcome to Concept Clarity for Physics. So today we are going to continue about derivatives. Today we are going to solve problems on derivatives. Solve problems. Solve problems on what, sir? On what problems you have to solve? On derivative or differentiation. Differentiation or derivatives. Okay. So let's take a first problem. I will clear this so I can write down the problem and we will solve it as well. What is the first problem, sir? First problem. If y is equal to 1 by x raised to power of n, then find dy by dx. So try to answer it yourself. I'll try to solve it now here. Let's try to solve it. So dy by dx, take a minute and try to solve it yourself, okay? Dy by dx will be, this will be, when it comes to the numerator, it will become dx raised to minus n by dx. So this will become, by using the power rule, we will get minus n x raised to power of minus n minus 1, and that is it, right? This is going to be your answer. This can be written as minus n divided by x raised to power of n plus 1. So now let us take one more problem. Shall we take one more problem? Okay, sir. Second problem. Y is equal to x cube plus 4x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x. Find dy by dx. So solve. I'm solving it here. So dy by dx. So multiple rules have to be applied here. One is the power rule, then the constant multiple rule, then power rule also, then the product rule also. Then you have constant rule and the product rule here. So by applying directly the power rule, what you will get? 3x raised to power of square plus 4 will be the constant. It will be coming out multiplied by 3 by 2 x raised to power of 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 3 x raised to power of 1 minus 1, right? So what will you get? 3x square will be 2 plus 6x raised to power of, this will be 3 minus 2, 1 by 2 minus 3. This is going to be your answer. Okay. So this can be also written as 3x square plus 6 root of x minus 3. So now that we have solved two problems, let us go to the one more problem we'll see. We'll take another problem. Third problem. What is the slope? Slope of what, sir? Of tangent to following curves at x is equal to 0. With others curve, the first curve which is given as y is equal to e raised to x minus sine of x. So how will you solve it? How will you solve it? I'm going to solve it here. I'm going to give another problem for homework. Okay, you can solve it and write it in the comments. So for this one we will solve. So dy by dx, the slope of the tangent, right? So dy by dx is equal to derivative of e raised to power of x divided by dx minus derivative of sine of x divided by dx. This will become e raised to x minus cos x, right? Now it's asking the slope of the tangent to which at x is equal to 0. So dy by dx when x is equal to 0 will be e raised to power of 0 minus cos of 0. E raised to power of 0 is 1 and cos of 0 is also 1, will be 0. So this is your answer. The next problem, take it for homework. This is for A, and for B, B is given as x is equal to tan of x plus tan of minus tan inverse of x. So you can solve this for homework. Sorry, I'll put it y is equal to homework. Solve and put in the comments. All right. So we have solved 3 problems so far. Let us take one more problem, one last problem we'll see. Last problem, y is equal to e raised to power of x log of x. Pause it and try to solve yourself first. Dy by dx will be equal to product rule. You can apply directly the product rule here. So what is the product rule? E raised to x derivative of log of x divided by plus, then log of x will remain out, and derivative of e raised to x. So here you will get e raised to x, derivative of log x is 1 by x, so I can put directly divide by x, plus log of x, derivative of e raised to x will be e raised to x itself. This can be written as e raised to x 1 by x plus log x. This is a solution. So we have solved 4 problems for derivatives. Do you want to solve some more problem? We'll solve some more problem after we see the second set of rules. Okay. In the next session, we'll cover second set of rules. So enjoy watching. Please subscribe and please share it to your friends so that they can also have a understanding about derivatives and all other topics which we have covered about functions and equations and trigonometry as well so far. Thank you.